dress.
You look beautiful.
Oh my
you
God.
are very smart. I know you wore red because today is Valentine. You wanted to remind me with style. Don't worry, I have a surprise for you. Happy Valentine.
Oh God, you're just so sweet. Is this from Peruvian hair? I will share those girls. You're not the first to have a rich boyfriend. Like, I will love this hair. God, you have no idea. These shoes are just life. Oh, babe. You just know how to spoil me. You know that Chris Brown show coming up next week? I would wear this.
Wear it. Rock it.
So classic, just be like everywhere. I'll go to toilet, you know, everywhere. People see it, like, you're just so, okay. This is, I don't want to spoil my makeup, but this is just so sweet. Oh my God. iPhone 6s and iPad Pro.
iPad Pro.
Oh, it's real, right?
Of course. Are you joking with me?
Let me check. You're so sweet, Let me open it first.
Oh, you don't trust me again.
Rose gold.
Rose gold. Gold that is rose.
When I step into the party, I have my Peruvian wig on. These shoes will be rocking it. And I'll just be taking selfies everywhere. Like, okay, come to my I got you something. You'll love it. And what I got for you, if you see it,
You don't mean
babe, you killed it with this one, but just wait till you see my own. I'll come and wait till you
For this girl, go and buy me clothes. Now let me get ready. Hey, I'm waiting, oh. I like surprise.
Why did you put your shirt?
It was getting hot. The bag is small surprise.
You don't know that big things are really small. Happy Mother's Day, love.
Small things come in big things come in small size.
Yeah. I know how I looked for these things. You will absolutely love it. Just trust me. I know you love it. Like
Toothbrush.
yes, babe. You know that your toothbrush, the teeth, everything was scattered. You needed a new one.
You know what I like.
Yes, you know I have your best interest now.
Tissue paper.
This one is really important because you're always sweating a lot. You just, cut it and you just like it's disposable. You just throw it away and get a new one. Babe, I wasn't sure if this was your size. I actually got one before. I had to return it. So this one probably size you.
Yeah.
You know, you at least just
I love it.
cigarettes.
That's why I bought one. Looks
Babe, this particular. Don't you just like the color, the pattern? You wear it when you come to my house. It's really lovely. Let's take a selfie with it. You love the gift, right? It's just so. I'm just so excited that you. Yeah, you know the function now.
Yeah,
the tissue. Oh my God, you're just so smart.
Yeah, I love you so much.
This you should love the most. You know your new car you got. All you have to do is just use this key holder for your key. Good to go. That's all. You love your gift, right?
So
I know, like, you do a lot for this. This is really important. You really needed this iPad Pro. When I just go to the party and all those things. Babe.
So much gift.
What's going on, babe? Are you okay? You love it, right? I just need to know that you love this gift. Baby, please, I'm sorry. No,
It's over.
What did I do? Is it the tissue? Is it the tissue? Oh, baby, please. Where would I go to now? It's late now. I love you. Don't you love me?
Valentine.